All right, here we go. We got the backpacker oven. We got our bear box. We got some cheese, a cutting board. Over here we got the pepperoni and the tomato sauce. We're gonna make some pizza. I mixed up the dough already. Let's see, there's my flour bag. Half a cup of flour. Should make 2 6-inch pizzas. And I've got them right here in the oven. I got the dough in here. There's the dough rising up good. Give it about an hour. Then we'll spread it out in a couple of pans. All right, let's see how our dough's doing. I got it separated. 2 different pans. Oh yeah, it's coming along. It's rising up. We'll wait another, I don't know, 15-20 minutes. Okay, there's one. I'm gonna top that one now. I got my cheese sliced up. We're gonna top it with this tomato paste right here. Centro tomato paste. And then we're gonna sprinkle some spices on it, put some cheese on it, top the pepperoni on it, and I'll take another picture of it. Okay, there's one, and there's the other one. Now we're gonna heat up the oven and stick them in there, and they should cook about 15 minutes, and then we'll have some nice hot pizza. All right, I got the oven going. I don't know if you can hear it or not. Let's see, I just lit it. I just set it on there, and we're up to, looks like almost 100 degrees. It'll get hot pretty quick. Once it gets up to 400, I'll put the pizzas in. Okay, looks like we're right about 400 degrees. Time for the pizza to go in. Okay, I just put the pizza in, and you can see the temperature drop. It's going down to about 350. And usually when it gets back up to 400 degrees, the pizza should be about done. It'll be about 15-20 minutes. There's the pizza. You gotta be careful with the oven, it's hot. You can't touch it very long. And then I got my water on top. It's only been like 5 minutes or so, but the temperature's almost up to 400 again. Damn mosquitoes out here. Yeah, you can see it. It's almost up to 400 again. So we'll check them, see what they look like. Let's see. At least with this oven, you can open it up and look at your food. Ooh, it's looking good. Looking good. Close it. And you're still at 400 degrees. You don't lose all your heat. That's why I just love the backpacker oven. Okay, I think I'm gonna rotate them. I'm gonna put the one from the bottom up on the top and the one on top on the bottom. So I'm gonna set you guys down right over here. Hopefully you can see. Yep. So I'll pull this one out. Ooh, looking good. Now I'll put this one down on the bottom. I'll put this one on the top. Voila! All right, they're here sizzling. Let's check it. Oh, look at that, huh? Ooh. That looks yummy. Let's see. No, almost. It's getting golden brown. It's almost done. I'll give it a couple more minutes here. See if we can put the pepperoni back on. Let's see this one. Ooh, yeah. That one's done on the bottom. That was the bottom one. Alright, I'm going to call that one done. We're going to let it cool off though. Ooh, yummy. Whoa, don't drop it. Look at that, huh? Ooh, look at that. Ooh, look at that one. Oh, move the cheese around a little bit. Whoa, it's running off. Oh yeah, that one's done too. All right, well, I'm going to shut the oven off. I'm going to leave that one in there. That one's almost cooled off, ready to eat. Bon appetit. All right, so I shut the oven off. I'm going to eat that one. The other one's in the oven still, keeping warm. That one's going to stay warm, ouch, while I eat that. And my water is steaming. Perfect temperature for hot chocolate. Right on. I think I need to cut it. It's too hot to eat like that. But it's pretty good. I think I'll cut it in half though. Alright, I cut it in half. Now I think I can pick it up and eat it. Ooh, yeah, look at that. Yummy. Alright, I ate that one, and there's the other pan. There's the pan, the other one I cooked in. I'll just take that little scraper I got. I'll scrape it out a little bit. Wipe it out with some warm water. And it'll be all cleaned up. There's the other pizza. Man, I don't know if I can eat two of them. Woo-wee! Alright, and there they are. All nice and clean, the pans. Look at that. Nice and clean. The bottom, that's burnt on. That's cooked. Those are baking pans. That one's all clean. This is the scraper I use. Just a little pot scraper. Works great. Little bottle of dish soap. I just put a drop of dish soap in each one and some warm water and scrape it around and then rinse it out. Good enough. Alright. Bon appetit. Got to get your backpacker oven so you can have pizza up here. Yes, sirree.